Marcano Studios.
Hello guys, it is me again, IRL Noella. Today, I'm going to talk about some sound effects from Angie 9x10. So, I'm going to talk about the pooping and farting sound effect from her. Shall we? Let's go! It's from a video called Mocha's First Christmas. Gotcha fart, Angie 9x10. It was uploaded on 2021, November 1. The duration of the sound effect is 0:34 to 0:50. This to this. The total seconds are 16. Yep. The lo-fi music called Rudolph by La Cremba will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my O-season characters when they poop in the toilet. Also, this sound effect is also used in Robosoft 1 Season 2 Episode 16 and Season 3 Episode 13. Even though Robosoft 1 Literature Club hasn't been made yet. Also, I'm working on that series right now. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos. It starts on 0:34 and ends on 0:50. Also, I will link the video right here. And it will be on the description. Also, give credit to Angie 9x10 before using her sound effects. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music called Rudolph at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later. Bye.